Hey Braden and Latasha, this is Steve looking at another 2016 Q50. This one's white with the wheat interior. Very nice looking vehicle. Great wheels. This one is an all-wheel drive. Tour into the back. Of course, the rear vents again. Power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, seat memory. Tachometer, speedometer, of course all your driving aids on this one. Forward predictive collision, lane departure, and blind spot warnings. All included features on this car. Your controls on the steering wheel. Walking you through all the different features available as well. Bluetooth, stereo volume. You got your map control, your navigation, down to your main screen, audio control, climate control. This one also has a heated steering wheel. The Hagane blue one did as well. Heated seats, control knob. Does have the remote start right there. And of course, sunroof, moonroof. Look to the rear. Oh, and then it also has a round view monitor rather than just backup. So you'll be able to see all the way around the vehicle, in front, alongside, behind. All in all, it's a really great looking vehicle. I'd love to have you come by and take a look at it if you'd like to. It's got the wood accent trims, as opposed to the Hagane blue that had the graphite. So a little bit different on the interior colors. Take note of that. Give me a call back, 918-806-8233. It's 918-806-8233. I'd love to chat with you about this great vehicle.